Every sugar crystal you have ever touched started as one of these green stalks. Today, we follow that stalk all the way through a real working sugar mill.
You are good to go. Drive on. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Every single truck gets weighed and logged by hand before it rolls inside. That number is how the mill pays the farmers.
And this, right here, is where the whole operation is won or lost. The giant rollers that squeeze everything out of the cane.
Keep it steady!
Let's clear this stray jam right now. Yeah, go for it. It is moving smoothly now.
The juice that came out of those rollers is green and cloudy. Before it can ever become sugar, it has to be cleaned. "95% of this juice is actually water. Getting rid of it without burning the sugar is the trick of this whole haul. These are the pans where sugar is actually born. Under vacuum, the syrup boils so gently, the sugar has time to crystallize.
Hold on. This is the loudest room in the entire factory. Say hello to the centrifuges.
Looks good. Wet sugar comes in one end and comes out this end as a free-flowing golden rain.
$60,000 bags a season. Every single one weighed, sewn, and branded by hand.
Drawing the final lot sample. Sealed and ready for tracking. Complete traceability.
And here it is, the end of the line. From a field of green cane to the crystals on your table.
This is the whole journey, right here. Green stalks in the sun, squeezed, boiled, spun, dried, and now the crystals in front of you.
Cane, juice, syrup, crystals, sugar. 6 steps, 1 factory.
Next time the sugar hits your chai, you'll know exactly what it took. That's the story from a real working sugar mill. See you at the next factory.